Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to enable dark mode on Pinterest. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Pinterest, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Enabling dark mode in Pinterest can make browsing easier on the eyes, especially on low light environments. But the thing is, for both desktop and mobile, Pinterest doesn't have a dedicated dark mode toggle. But of course, we are going to show you some workaround that we can do to be able to get the same effect, all right? Now, if you are already on the Pinterest app, I need you to log in on your credentials. Now, once you are inside the Pinterest app on your mobile device, I'm using an iPhone, by the way, so I'm using an iOS. So if you're using an Android, you can do similar effect, all right? Basically, when we hover here to our profile, now on the bottom right, your profile icon, there's no option to maybe turn on white light mode or dark mode, isn't it? Now I need you, if you're using an iPhone, all right, I need you to go to your settings, all right, on the iPhone itself. Okay, and then enter settings. Okay, so I need you to hover down below where you can find the display and brightness section. I want you to click on it. You see right now I'm using the light mode. It's automatic, right? If you turn automatic, the options are gone, but if you slide it on, you have more control. So for light, you know, the options are light until sunset or custom schedule, but we're not gonna do that because we're already on the light mode. Click on dark mode because that is the thing that we're looking for. You can have a dark until sunrise or a custom schedule. If you do that, you have an option for the light like 7 a.m. and then you get the dark mode by 10 p.m. of course on your local standard time. We're going to click on dark mode. You also have an option here. You can increase the brightness, all right, depending on your comfort level. All right, you also have the true tone if you wanted. It automatically adapts iPhone display based on the ambient lighting conditions to make colors appear consistent in different environments. Not only that, you have an option for the night shift, which I do a lot. You can schedule, right, from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. if you're working late nights or you have a night shift, or manually enable until tomorrow. It's up to you. Now, the color temperature is really good because you can set it to more warm. If you are reading something like, you know, you're passively reading your phone until you doze off, you're going to sleep. So it's up to you, all right? So I'm gonna turn it on back now to okay, you have also an option to auto lock, reset to wake, and that's basically how you enable your dark mode here on the iPhone or iOS, all right? And again, although both desktop and mobile doesn't have the dedicated dark mode toggle, of course, you can always make sure to adjust into your operating system, be it Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS, to set and to see if you have a dark mode enabling feature. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.